All set for the eliminator. Rizwan MCC coming into the action and change in the opening combo. For the important game, for the 4 overs of eliminator, Ansaf joins along with Yasir Arafat as the opener. They're bringing a prolific openers in an important game. First ball run from Yasir Arafat straight away finds his first run that opened the scorecard of the team. Rizwan MCC, the left-arm pace bowler. Absolutely brilliant from Rizwan MCC. Such a superb delivery in front of Ansaf Talangara. He just kept it a little bit low on the track and beautifully beats. Another beauty, changes the length of the delivery. Furiously faster bouncer in front of Ansaf by Rizwan MCC, showcasing his skill and ability. Superb visual treat of length. Scene presentation looks to be fine from this man. That is go straight to the field. Muthu Angola, is it a chance? It will be a quick action in the end. Very inches close, but safely completes a single. Good call and response by the batters. Safely done by Arafat and Ansaf Jodi. Arafat on strike. Short and straight to the field. Yasir Arafat goal and Rizwan MCC strike. Magnificent wicket. What an absolute well taken by the fielder indeed. Is such a fine act. And Yasir has gone back, and who will be the next man? Some discussion going on there in the dugout of Bas Bedra. The big man Shoaib is coming. The dangerous customer. When team needs some runs, it delivered so far. Rizwan, such a beauty of a delivery that carries by Rizwan MCC. Wonderful first over done by Rizwan MCC for Bas Bedra. 2 for 1. Brilliant for Najaf. Bas Bedra 2 for 1. Rizwan MCC once again stand out. Nitish Balan coming into the action with the over number seconds. Eyes done well by Muthu Angola. They keeps Nitish Balan and they brings Muthu Angola with the over number 2. Eyes done well again. And just a flick through the onside by Ansaf and takes a single and looking for two. Oh, little late reaction from Shuaib that cost a wicket. One complete and one wicket gone. Eyes done well. Muthu Angola did it really well. Appeal from Tuti, but not a confident one from the bowler. Is going back to start the next delivery. Three for two. A typical Malinga slow delivery by Muthu Angola. Very well controlled behind that action. No clue for the batter. Generate pace on this occasion. Fabulous over from Muthu Angola. Comes to an end. Another successful one from Najaf. Just 3 runs for the loss of 2 after 2 overs. 2 overiൽ 3-2 മസ്മരിക ബോളിംഗുമായി ഫ്രണ്ട് ലൈൻ ബോളേഴ്സ് റിസ്വാൻ MCCയും മുത്തു അങ്കോളയും. Another dangerous bowler coming into the action. Nidish Balan, Nidish Kadapuram. Afri on the other side as a striker. In the air, catches the call and Umar is waiting in the deep. And the ball lands safely, just a single from Afrif that brings Ansaf Talangara to the striker end. All dreams and hopes upon the shoulder of Ansaf. Brilliant execution from Nidish. Just a moment between the wicket by the batters. Excellent delivery again by Nidish. A big swing from Afri, but no connection on this occasion. Things all tightening every screws really well by the bowlers of Najaf. Not gets the right power. Only one wanted. The team demands some sixes from Ansaf. We have seen 2 back-to-back sixes from Ansaf in their last game. Big swing, wonderfully gets that wonderful wicket. Ansaf is gone back and the ball rests in the hands of Tuti. Nidish Balan strikes with a gem of a wicket. What a successful way the scorecard is controlling by the bowlers. 6 for the loss of 3. He's done well. He's done really well. This is an absolute exhibition of pace from all frontline bowlers. Rizwan MCC, Muthu Angola, Nitish Kadappuram, all the front three done and does their job. End of 3, 6 for 3. Bask Bedira on a little bit trouble. ആറ് റൺസുകൾ മാത്രം അനുവദിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് 3 വിക്കറ്റുകൾ സ്വന്തമാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് ആദ്യ 3 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ ആധിപത്യം തങ്ങളുടെ തോളിലാണെന്ന് നജാഫ് വിളിച്ചു പറയുന്ന ഒരു കാഴ്ച മറുഭാഗത്തേക്ക് അഫ്രിയുടെ യുവരക്തം അല്പമൊന്ന് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി വെമ്പൽ കൊള്ളുമ്പോൾ സിദ്ധി FC അവസാന ഓവറുമായി ആദ്യ ഇന്നിംഗ്സിൽ Afri sings and kept the line away by Siddhi FC. തന്റെ മുൻഗാമികൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്ത അതേ ഒരു രീതിയിൽ അതേ ഒരു ഇന്റന്റുമായി സിദ്ധി FC ആരംഭിക്കുന്നു. Same result from consecutive deliveries. Back to back dot ball. Lovely presentation of pace by Siddhi FC in consecutive time in front of Afri. That is straight to the long on region for a single and looking for a double, and it will be a trouble. Asif gone. Wonderful delivery from Siddhi FC. Is enjoying in these conditions of Lord's Cricket Ground, Kasaragod. Such a devastating bowling display, that showcasing by Najaf. Another one furiously fast, and it will be another terrific delivery from Siddhi FC. Afri just standing in front of the wicket. Nothing chance for him to swing with a connection. We have seen only one connection that produced a single run, turning out to be a golden over from Siddhi FC. Last ball of the innings number 1. Brilliant on to the patch. Siddhi FC comes and controls it, and that will be the end of the innings. A tremendous over from Siddhi FC comes to an end. Just 8 runs on top and 9 to win. What a dramatical bowling display from the bowlers of Najaf. Looks to be a fantastic strike, and one bounce and finds a fielder. Afri is standing there in the deep and first ball, first run. ആദ്യ പന്തിൽ ആദ്യ റണ്ണുമായി ആരംഭിക്കുന്നു. ഒരു ഈസി ചേസിങ്ങിന്, ഒരു ഈസി റൺ ചേസിന് വേണ്ടി നജാഫ് തുനിഞ്ഞിറങ്ങുമ്പോൾ 8 റൺസിന്റെ ദൂരം. കൃത്യമായ ബോളിംഗ് ഡിസ്പ്ലേയുമായി Muthu Angola That's a super shot and all the way just in front of the boundary and gone for a boundary for 4. Muthu Angola starts superbly. One hit away the target. 4 runs in the target. That is the game for the team. Victory in style of Muthu Angola. Najaf enter into the semi-final. Many congratulations. What a victory. A complete one-way traffic of domination that keeps throughout this game by the team Najaf. Many congratulations to the winners. And time for the toss for the next match. Captain of